Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to Kiki's Kitchen. So we are going to make one more thing today, and I'm so sorry my internet's not up and you guys are not going to get these, but you'll get them eventually. You'll just have to add them to your repertoire. So what we're making today is we're going to make the watermelon salad with a balsamic vinaigrette and our pickled onions. Now I have done a video, you don't have it yet, of pickled onions. And this has feta cheese, and it's just unbelievably good. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a quick little simple vinaigrette. And what you wanna do is pretty much kind of a 3 to 1 vinegar to oil ratio. 3 is the oil, 1 is the vinegar. So if you have a tablespoon of vinegar, then you want 3 tablespoons of olive oil. So it's going to be real simple, and it is just garlic and a little salt, a little pepper, and we're going to do some. I'm going to use cranberry pear. You can use a apple cider vinegar. You can use just plain lime or just plain lemon. That really will bring up the flavor too. So what you want to do is kind of whisk this in, let it emulsify, and that's that. That is seriously as complicated as that gets. Let's set that aside. What we're going to do is we're going to take our watermelon, which I already have some watermelon cut, and I have some fresh mint leaves on it, and I'm going to add to that my pickled onions. Hi guys, I'll be 1 second. So we're going to put some pickled onions on here, just kind of spread them away. I'm telling you, this will probably scare my guests when they see it, because it's not a normal salad by any stretch, but there's good sports about trying things. If you don't like it, that's okay. So we've got purple onion all over. So each little piece has some. You know, I have been working with spaghetti sauce today, and I have these purple onions, and I have been wearing white, and I have managed to stay white. It's going to be a miracle of epic proportions if I get through it. So, last but not least is our purple onion. Never want to work quickly. Here we go. And I'm going to spread that over the top of the watermelon. Sure every piece gets covered. This is a sweet and salty salad. It sounds weird, I know it does. You have to trust me on this one. And finally, last but not least, crash. You know, whenever I'm in a hurry, you know that's what happens. I'm gonna pull my vinaigrette right down over on the watermelon. Every little piece gets just a little bit. And that's all there is to it. We have a very odd combination for dinner. I'm sure they'll be delighted to know. Got a weird dinner going on tonight, but it'll be good. So that's what it is. That's what it looks like. It's beautiful, and it's really tasty. If you like it, try it. Bye.